Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So guys, if you're trying to install some apps in your iPhone but you are facing this problem and you are unable to install the app, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection, and after this go back and open settings in your device, and now you have to simply open the general section and tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to go back to your settings again and now tap on screen time, scroll it below, tap on content and privacy restrictions, tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, enter the passcode, tap on installing apps, and now allow installing apps in your iPhone from here. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open the general section again and now scroll it below and tap on language and region, and from here tap on region and select the region where the app can be installed. So guys, simply select the correct region and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open VPN and device management and disconnect the VPN if there is any connected VPN in your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open the transfer or reset iPhone, and from here tap on reset and tap on reset network settings from here and reset your network settings of your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.